Negative, negative. Michelson, Yankee, Charlie, 0. Sierra, Juliet Alpha. Yankee, Charlie, 0. Sugar, Japan, America. USA.
Yankee Charlie 0, something America.
Victor, Kilo 6. Charlie, Zulu, Victoria. Michelson, Yankee, Charlie, 0. Sierra, Juliet, Alpha. Yankee, Charlie, 0. Sugar, Japan, America. USA.
Okay, I think I got Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Charlie Alpha, is that right?
Negative Charlie, negative Charlie. Juliet, Juliet. Sierra, Juliet, Alpha. Yankee, Charlie, 0. Sierra, Juliet, Alpha. USA.
My apologies, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha.
Roger, Roger, QSL, my friend. Thank you very much. Victor Kilo 6, Charlie Zulu Victoria, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Introduce, my name is Fayyas, Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha Sierra. Florida Alpha, Yankee Alpha Sierra. And you have 5'9", sometimes to 10 dB, my friend. 5'9", sometimes to 10 dB to East Jakarta, Indonesia. Victor Kilo 6, Charlie Zulu Victoria, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, over.
Roger that. I've got it. I've got you up on QRZ now. Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Yes, you're touching one of the LEDs in the red, so you're just over a 9 into Perth, Western Australia. And I suppose if we waited a while, you'd probably come up to a 10 over. A nice strong signal into 25 kilometres east of Perth. We're on the Darling Ranges, so about 25 kilometres east of Perth. So we're on top of the Darling Ranges, about 300 metres above sea level. Only running a 5/8 vertical here, and the transceiver is an IT 7300, which I enjoy greatly. It's a great rig, and I'm happy I bought it. Okay, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, Victor Kilo 6, Japan, United, Denmark.
Roger. I'm so sorry, my friend. I think the VK6 Charlie Zulu Victoria. I'm so sorry because the first I heard is Victor Kilo 6 Charlie Zulu Victoria. Thank you very much, my friend. In this now, I'm sorry, my English is bad. I hope you can understand about my talking in this afternoon, my friend. I'm using Maxlog CB radio, and the antenna is ground plane 5/8 in my homemade, my friend. My home road antenna is a ground plane vertical, but I'm about it is 3 or 5 meters from the ground because I must on the flag mass, my friend. I got it to mass of flag. Thank you, my friend. I'm so sorry about my English. This is the first time my antenna is going to Australia to put Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Please repeat your call sign, my friend. Thank you.
Yeah, Roger. I'll put our contact up on qrz.com. You're certainly strong coming in here into Perth, Western Australia. Just about a perfect copy, just maybe a little bit down on the mic gain. Don't know if you've got it turned up or not, but other than that, it's just about a perfect signal. You're very strong coming into the hills here in the Darling Ranges of Perth, Western Australia. Put you down as a 5x9 because you're certainly strong. There's no doubt about that. I had to turn the volume down on the rig. All right. Thank you very much for the contact, and we'll definitely, if we hear you on again, we'll definitely make contact again. I think things are just going to get better. All right, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. This is Victor Kilo 6, Japan, United, Denmark. Thank you very much for the contact.
Roger. Thank you very much. Victor 6, Juliet United Delta, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Before we have go, my friend, this QSO is I have been recording recording the video, and then I want to upload to YouTube. May I upload this our conversation is my personal YouTube, my friend, because it's very big signal and strong audio to my radio, to my station radio, my friend. Victor Kilo 6, Juliet United Delta, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. One more time, please. Thank you.
Yeah, Roger, you are very coming through very strong. It's almost like it's over modulating. I'm not quite sure. I'm not sure how to put it to you. I'm not the most technical man in the world, but certainly coming through very strong. I don't know if you can turn down the mic gain a little bit, but sorry, I'm probably not the person to talk to when it comes to technical stuff. Anyway, Australia, I suppose that's what counts. Okay, Yankee Charlie. Now I'm getting old. I'm forgetting what I'm reading. Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha, VK6 Juliet Uniform Delta.
Roger. Thank you, Mr. Ron. VK6 Juliet Uniform Delta, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. I hope we can contact in case again. So nice day and nice weekend. Greeting to your family, my friend. 7-3, bye-bye.
73s and God bless you.